Yo, 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 come with me and check out how we're gonna turn this bag into this jacket. Woo! I just scavenged up some bags here. I'm gonna start the process. All right, so we're walking into this room. We're gonna be using this heat machine. It's called DigiHeat. We're gonna be doing around 350 degrees Fahrenheit to press our interfacing on the back of our burlap bags to the bag themselves. And we do this so that it stays sturdy throughout the everyday wear. Our next stage is to check out the patterns. So we're working on a size large right now. We're gonna go through all these patterns and pull out the pieces we need to cut the burlap sections. Next step is to take our first pattern piece here. This is gonna be the front of the jacket. We're gonna lay it down into the position we want that works with all of the text and, you know, looks good. We're gonna mark it all the way around with chalk and then cut it out. All right, the next step is gonna be cutting the lining. Today I'm gonna be cutting this nice polar fleece, and it's gonna help keep you warm during the winter. The next step of the process is gonna be picking out the leather for the collar. So I use recycled leather that I get from different leather factories around the city or different vendors that have recycled leather donated to them or whatnot. So I'll be picking out a scrap here that fits my collar size and using it for the collar of the jacket. One of the final steps here is actually sitting down with the machine and putting the whole jacket together. So come with me, check it out, and then see the final product. Boop. Jackets are done. You can go ahead and buy them at mena.nyc, madebymena.com. They range in pricing from $2,400 for the big ones, the burlap bombers, down to $1,400 for the M65s, and around $750 for the denim jackets. Keep recycling.